Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to be testing this acrylic marker set by Artix, A-R-R-T-X. The reason why it's this set, there's dozens of these sets. This one kept popping up in my my social media feed. You know, when you're looking through Instagram or my Reddits or any of that stuff, and Facebook, there's always an ad for these. And I'm going to start testing some of the stuff that pops up in my ad feeds. And I've ordered a few in that way. Markers, airbrushes, that type of stuff. Anything. Of course, they know your algorithm. They know what you're into. But I think one time something never showed up. I think twice something has never showed up. One was a board game or something. It's been so long, I just know it never showed up. I had to report it and get my money back. So what I did was I went to Amazon and searched it. And there it was. It's on Amazon. There's two to choose from for this brand. A 30 piece, I think a 30 and a 60. This is the 60. I'm going to go ahead and show you the one I got. Here it is, 60 piece. And it shows it standing up. And I'm going to show you it doesn't look like that when you open it. So at 50, oh man, I paid 60. $51.99. That's less than a buck. What's that, 70 cents a marker? It's got to be something. I can do my math in my head. I mean, $1 a marker was the 60 because it's 60 markers. I spent 60. It's now $51.99. So here's the other one's 36 bucks for 36 markers. The set that's a little smaller. So a buck a marker. We'll see how these pan out. But the price already is really good. I'll put a link to where I got these on Amazon. All right, let me get my phone out of the way. And let me show you what we got here. We're just going to go over a quick test, see if these are worthy of the price, even though the price is pretty incredible. Now, these are laid out really cool. Look at this set. It comes in these little trays. I might not even have the room here. Check this out. Uh-oh, the last one's a little tricky for my fat fingers to get in there. Oh, I think I got it. I got it. All right, and that's what we're left with. Let's put this aside. Down here. All right, there we go. Now, I don't believe there's any metallics in here. And because of that, I bought a metallic set of markers that I'm going to be reviewing next. After this review. So these are all opaques. And there you are. There's the color choices. You have black and grays are over here. I don't know if their names are on the packaging. Let's find out. And let's test some of these. All right. We'll see through there. I think there's there's shaker. Put that in the microphone. Shaker balls in there. There it is. It's clear right there. That's seeing inside. And brush type, it says. Let's see. Oh, yeah. There we go. So it says shake, well, with the cap on before use, and that's it. So the colors is just numbered, unfortunately. I don't see a name on here for the color. Too bad. Strong coverage. Let's see if the features are written on the box. Yeah, right in the front. Better coverage, fewer pen marks, waterproof, brush tip, available on various surfaces. That is. Use on various surfaces. I'm guessing zero pumping, so they're already preloaded. You don't have to push the tip in. As far as that goes, let's go ahead and test them right off the bat. I got primered spoons here. Let's try it on plastic. Let me grab a white plastic spoon. Hold on, guys. I got to reach back here and grab one. Had to reach back there and grab a spoon. It was out of my reach. All right, let's see how this lays down. Oh, it lays down beautifully. You get the light over here? There we go. Check that out. Now, does it pull itself up when we come through it? No, it doesn't. So I don't know if we can blend them. I'm going to try that. Now, let's try and lay it flat. Oh, yeah, look at that. Pretty impressive. Very smooth. I imagine they're going to dry dull. We'll see that. Let's see the coverage. It says it has strong coverage. Let's try it over black. All right, it's tough to do this. The camera mount's right here. But get the dust off this black plastic spoon. Let's see what we get. Yeah, it covers it. A little speckly here, but I think it's because the spoon isn't cleaned off. Trying it with the tip. It covers. It covers. Let's try it on cardboard. Hold on one second. We got a piece of cardboard. It's probably what it's meant for. I like to try it on. I like to try it on plastic because that's primarily what I'm using it for. But, yeah, they flow nice. Let's try a different color. You know, randomly pick anything here. All right. Start again with the white plastic. Great color. This is close to that Patronus green that I love. Great color. Awesome color. Now let's see how the green covers a black spoon. Let's go to the inside on this one. Yeah, it covers really well. Let's try it on a Gumpla kit. Let's try this. Let's put this over. Let's try passing it through the other color. Yeah, well, it dried quickly on the cardboard, so I know it's not going to dry that fast on the spoon. Let's try the red. This has been sitting here for a little bit. No, it covers right up. It goes right over it. All right, so let's check this out on a Gumpla kit. Here we go. I'm going to try to lay as flat as I can in this little square here. Oh, yeah, look at that. I would give it 2 coats. You know, I let it dry. It dries pretty quick. But the flow is incredible. And look at that. We're going to try putting gloss coat on it. A clear coat before we're done here. But impressed. Kind of impressed. Now I'm going to try it over some primer. This is an acrylic primer. Oh, yeah, it likes the primer quite a bit. Smooth. Really good over the black primer. Look at that. Oh, red primer with the green. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, it's strong adhesion. You can feel it. So, I think the only thing to do here, is let's see if we can put a clear coat over it. Let's try it on this right here. Let's pick a different color here. I don't know what I want to try. What do you think? Want to try go extreme yellow here? See if yellow will cover the primer. I bet you it doesn't. I bet you it doesn't. But well, we'll find out. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah, look at this. I think it'll take two, probably going to take two passes, let it dry, and put it on again. It's going to need 2 coats. It is yellow. Let's try it across here. Yeah, I would let that dry, hit it again. All right, let's try a different color. Let me put this aside. All right, I know a darker, more pigment-heavy color will probably cover in one shot. Yellow's always tricky. That's why I wanted to try it. All right, there we go. Let's try the blue on this side. Yeah, huge difference because of the color type. Phenomenal. Very impressive. I'm going to put this in the dehydrator so I can get that yellow to cover good. But good looking blue here. Good looking blue. I like this. So we can get this nice. Oh, yeah, look at the shape of the tip. Allows for pretty accurate without going over. Okay, let me go into the groove here at the top. Super nice. Very good. All right, I'm going to let this dry a sec. I'll pause the camera. I'm going to see if I can get that yellow to come in heavier. Again, it's yellow. I'm not going to fault it because obviously they do cover well because the blue is just outstanding. But let me go put this in the dehydrator, let it dry. I'll be right back in 2 seconds. And then I'll lay some down and we'll try a clear coat on top and we'll see how it handles that. And then we'll wrap this up. Okay, guys, it's been a few minutes on my end. Put it in the dehydrator. Got this nice and dry. Let's check out if a second coat covers it well. Oh, yeah. Check it out. Yep. So a quick dry, 2 coats, perfect. I know some paints I can't get that nice, actually. So, yeah, she works. So let's go ahead. I put it, you know, some on these spoons. I got some here. We're going to see if a clear coat will go on top. And we'll see what happens there. All right, these are all fully dried. So let me go grab one of my many clear coats behind me. And let's test it out. Then we can wrap this up. All right, guys, I wish I had a cleaner booth, but I don't. Mr. Super Clear. Just came from Lowe's. Anybody live near a Lowe's? And they use my size filter pads, which are 12 by 24. They were marked down, $2 a piece. I bought a case of them. That is cheap. Looks like this seems to hold its own. So whether you want to put clear gloss or clear flat, probably 2K, it'll get it done. All right. I'll let it sit for a little bit, see if it pulls up. I'll meet you back at the bench. All right, guys, so there we go. Arctic's acrylic marker set. I mean, it was in my social media feed ads, and, you know, you're watching them, you know, the little quick videos. They make you click on it because it looks so great. These are great. They worked great. They took the clear coat, no problem. Here we go. That's over primer. 2 shots for the yellow, 1 for the blue. And here is a gray primer. It went right over. Let's show you the red primer. And of course, you know, it's really good on paper. It's probably what they're designed for, but I cared about plastic. And yeah, it works great. Works great on plastic. And that's over dark plastic right there. Right, so there you go. I will put a link to both. I'll put the 60-piece set, which is this one, and I'll put the 36-piece set. 36 is about $1 a marker, $36. This one's on sale for just over 50. So these are about 70 cents a piece. And the tray set is awesome. I do like the holder quite a bit. Keeps them out of the way. They stack up nice. You can take one set out if you're using a certain type of colors and keep them stored like that with a nice package. And I forgot to show you the back of the box. I don't want them all falling. There it is. It's a color chart for you back there. And there you go. All right, that is the set. Coming up soon, another one that was in my social media feed was this Metallics. It's got the brush and a fine tip. So these are 2-sided, much smaller set. But we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that social media ad works out. But these did. These turned out to be very good markers. So there you go. All right, I'll put the link below. All right, guys, there you go. Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. We do at least 1 video a week. I do have another video coming up this week. We're going to be doing 2 this week, 1 over the weekend, as my all-new chrome set is finally in stock. My name is on here somewhere. You know, where's Barbatos? Nope, they put my logo right there, Mecha Empire. That's my paint line. So there you go. It's got the gloss black base, the chrome, and a chrome varnish, all in the set, all together. And we'll be testing that out in detail. We're going to go over that in the next video review. If you want some of my new colors, these are in at Gundam Pros. soon to be at Gundam Place. I'm working something out with him right now. Nocturne Teal, Nocturne Orange, Nocturne Purple, Nocturne Red, Nocturne Green. All right. Then we go into Steel Violet. This is my new color. It looks similar in the bottle, Metal Mauve, to this red, but it sprayed much brighter. Look at that. You can see the difference right there. And this one's very popular, Black Pearl. Look at that. So there you go. All these new colors are in at Gundam Pros now. And another retailer very soon. Anyway, guys, that is the test for today. We'll see you soon in the next video for the Chrome test. We're going to go listen to Rust-Oleum. Great power metal band. This album's fantastic. Gunman. Check out this band, Rust-Oleum. It's a character. Is that a character from Tolkien, I think? Legacy, Master Plan. Aeronautics. This is their second album. Phenomenal melodic rock. Legacy, power metal, great stuff. That's brand new. It came out last week. I just got it in the mail. I collect CDs, so if a band put out a disc, I will grab the disc from you guys. A lot of times I'll even sign them for you, if you ask. Anyway, guys, that is the music portion of this video. Anyway, guys, you guys are awesome. Have a great rest of your day. We will see you soon in the next video. God bless you all. Have a great day.